student, in the previous video of the chapter 4 Geography Climate, we discussed about the onset and the withdrawal of the monsoons. In this video, we will discuss about the seasons. The monsoon type of climate is characterized by a distinct season pattern. These are the cold weather season, the hot weather season, the advancing monsoon and the retreating monsoon. India has a cold weather season in winter that begins in mid-November and lasts till February. December and January are the coldest months in the northern India. By contrast, the southern part of India do not experience very low temperature. On the eastern coast, the average winter temperature are high as compared to the average temperature in the northern plain. For example, in Chennai, the temperature during the winter ranges between 24 degree to 25 degrees Celsius, and on the other hand, in Jammu, the winter temperature may range between 26.2 degrees Celsius to 4.3 degrees Celsius. Frost is a common phenomenon in the North Plain, while the highest slopes of Himalaya experience snowfall. During winter, the northeast trade winds blow over the country. As these winds blow from the land to sea, over most part of the India, they are dry. So in most part of India, the weather during the winter is dry. However, in some part of India, like the coast of the Tamil Nadu, the winds blow from the sea to land. Hence, these places see some amount of the rainfall during the winter. In the north part of the country, a high pressure region develops. As a result, light winds blow outwards from these parts, passing through the Ganga Valley from west and the northwest. And these parts normally experience low temperature, low humidity and a clear sky. Another characteristic of the winter season experienced over the northern plain is the influence of the western cyclonic disturbance from the west and the northwest. These low pressure systems originate over the Mediterranean Sea and the Western Asia and move into India along with the westerly flow. They cause the winter rains over the plain and snowfall in the mountains. The total amount of the winter rainfall, locally known as Mahabhat. Though the total rainfall in winter is low, but it is immense important for the cultivation of the Rabi crops. The peninsular region of India, which down south, the cold season is not as distinct as in the north due to the moderate influence of the sea. A low drastic season variation can be seen in temperature pattern. The hot weather season in India refer to the summer that begins in March and lasts till the mid-June. In India, summer is caused due to the apparent northward movement of the sun and which shift the global heat belt northward. Its influence can be seen clearly from temperature recording taken from March to May at different latitudes. In March, the highest temperature is about 38 degrees Celsius recorded on the Deccan Plateau. In April, temperature in Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh are around 42 degrees Celsius. And in May, temperature of 45 degrees Celsius are common in northwestern part of the country. In peninsular India, temperature remain lower due to the moderate influence of the sea. In the northern part of the country, during the summer months, the temperature rises and fall in air pressure can be experienced. Towards the end of the May, a low pressure area develops in the region extended from the Thar deserts in the northwest to Patna and Chota Nagpur plateau in the east and the southeast. Circulation of the air began to set around this trough. A striking feature of the hot weather season is a low. These are the strong, gusty, hot and the dry winds that blowing during the day over the north and the northwest India during the summers. And dust storms are very common during the month of the May in northern India. These storms bring temporary relief as a low the temperature and may bring light rain and cool breeze. And this is also season for localized thunderstorm that associated with violent winds, torrential downpours, and with hails. In the West Bengal, these storms are known as a Kalvesaki. And towards the end of the summer season, pre-monsoon showers are common, especially in the Kerala and Karnataka, that help in the ripening of the mangoes and referred to as a mango showers. In the next video, we will discuss about the rainy season of India. Now topic related these questions you have to do on your fair notebook.